Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to reply with video in TikTok comments. That is, you can place your comment on the video. To do this, you just need to go to TikTok. Now find any of your videos, open the comments. Now select the comment you want to respond to. For example, this one here, you click and here you have a camera icon on the side. You click on it and you have the function to record a video response or select a ready-made video. You just click record, you record this video response. Click next and we can edit this comment to make it bigger, smaller and record such a video response. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support Channel. See you later. Bye bye.